Neve and Lexi, you guys don't want to go up there? Neve, you don't want to go? Oh, there he goes. Ooh, that was a big. You saw Nisha. Did you seriously hide behind Natalie?
Because I want her to get wet. What? You want to go get wet again? Yeah. So come on.
Go ahead. Let's see. You don't want to go? Why not? Go. You sure you don't want to go, Lexi? Go ahead, baby. Lexi, go ahead, Mama. You don't want to go? It's going to be fun. Lexi, go ahead, baby. Do you want to go get wet? No? I love you too. You want to put your dress on? Huh? You want to put your dress on? No? You want to put your dress on, baby? Yeah, hey, go Lexi. Look, it's coming, baby. Look at the boat. It's about to come, look. You see it up there? It's coming. You don't want to go? Hey, Lexi, look. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh.
You don't want to get wet, Lexi?
I tried to tell her, but she didn't want to go.
And
that's super slow motion.
Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Oh, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. You want your dress, baby?
Stop it! Stop!
So,
Ashley be coming.
she's coming now.
Yeah,
Coach
$5.
Morales.
$10 for one. Why you want one?
There's a line over there
Why you want
for the
one?
Boston Tea Party. What is it called? It's Boston Tea Cup? Oh, Boston Tea Party.
Tea party.
Boston Tea Party. All right, baby. You want to go again, Neve?
I don't think I got anything else.
Bessie looks like she's about to pop. What? You guys don't even know where we at. Where?
We got here.
To the water park?
Yeah.
We can go there, but there's a line.
You see this?
There's a line. Oh. Oh, they're about to get wet. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, Celestin. Share, like, comment. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Fabi Celestin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh man! Oh man! Look at, oh man! You like that, Neve? Natalie, you like that? It'll dry up, baby. It'll dry up. You heard? It'll dry up, Mama.